designing the whole concept of the store, we were very particular and clear with one thing, that the product, which is awesome, which speaks of itself, needs to be highlighted the most. But at the same time, the complex part was the design should flow seamlessly with it. You should not feel the disconnect between the kitchens. One should not feel that they have entered into a different zone. We wanted the entire area to be one. At the same time, different languages. So we have purposely kept the flooring, the ceiling and the walls unanimous, of the same color, that is all cemented, because we wanted to highlight the kitchens all around. The discussion area in the entire store is centrally located. The reason was one can see all the kitchens around from here, and also they can be secluded whenever they want because of these soundproof glasses. So we have incorporated these glass bricks purposely, wherein we have automation control in the lighting. One can dim it and make it to the maximum level according to their preferences while selecting the colors. So we have purposely added mirror on this wall because we wanted the area to look bigger. We wanted one should not feel that we have come to an end, but rather a reflection of the entire store. So in this kitchen, we got to know that Kuche 7 can actually work into the curved kitchen, and we were very much excited to put this on the first place. With this kitchen, we wanted to show a dining space along with it, and hence a kitchen along with a dining space. The dining area can actually also be used as a discussion area, and hence we have given these camouflaged storage spaces to showcase the samples. This reception is my favorite, and we have intentionally made this flooring like this as it is. We have gotten the steel inlay into the flooring because I wanted to continue giving that factor of steel in and around. So this installation here actually depicts how many metal colors can actually be there in a kitchen, and hence we have created this installation especially for one to notice that how good the actual metal color looks on a steel surface. So as a design firm, it was an amazing experience for us to work with Kuche 7. The reasons are multiple, but I would like to mention one. We got a lot of freedom in terms of whatever we want to showcase and how we actually want to showcase their brand along with our design language. It was amazing.